He was told he'd never move again. A dog gave a baby koala a piggy bank, and scientists just slowed a fatal disease. 3 stories of hope. I'm Sabrina X. If you love music, gaming, and feel-good stories, subscribe. Jackson Drum,
A Minnesota prep school.
hockey player, suffered a severe C12 spinal injury in a game in Canada. Doctors said he wouldn't move, breathe, or eat on his own. 9 months of intense rehab followed. He came off the ventilator, left the feeding tube, regained some leg movement, and even struck pucks in therapy. The Minnesota Wild invited him to a game, announced his return on the Jumbotron, and he shared the locker room with teammates. Jackson hopes to play again. His recovery shows how persistence and community can reshape outcomes. Next, a tiny koala and a big heart. In Victoria, Australia, a golden retriever named Denny was found with a baby koala clinging to her back. The joey likely fell from a tree. Denny seemed to help like a gentle guardian. The owner placed the joey back in a tree and the mother returned safely. The photos went viral and warmed the internet. Finally, a medical breakthrough with huge implications. Huntington's disease causes progressive motor decline and dementia. A trial of AMT 130 showed high-dose patients have about 75% less disease progression over 36 months versus untreated patients. The therapy delivers DNA into brain cells, so they produce RNA that targets the mutant Huntington message, reducing the toxic protein. Researchers also saw lower markers of neuronal injury. Uniqurb plans to seek accelerated FDA approval next year. It's not a cure yet, but it's the first treatment. Meaningful slow Huntington's, real hope for patients. 3 stories, human grit, animal kindness, and scientific progress reminds us that small actions and big ideas move us forward.